Hi everyone, welcome to my video. Today I am going to share Bengali Bode or sweet bundi recipe. For making Bengali Bode, you need Bengal gram flour or Besan, crushed cardamom or ilaichi, 1 cup sugar, half a cup of water and rose water. Now take a bowl and add the besan into the bowl. Now break the crumbles of the besan using a hand blender and add the green cardamom powder. Mix the green cardamom powder with the besan gently. Now add water little by little. Don't add all the water at a time. Now keep adding and mixing the water with the besan to make a thick batter. The batter must be little thicker than the normal dosa batter. It looks like the batter is almost ready. Keep aside the batter for at least 15 to 20 minutes before using. For making the sugar syrup, we will add 1 cup of sugar and half a cup of water into a pan and we'll boil the syrup till it thickens. Some saffron to the syrup for giving it a natural color and aroma. Adding saffron is totally optional. If you don't have saffron at home, you can easily skip it. I am not adding any artificial color to my bundi as my son is going to have it. So I am avoiding the artificial color this time. Let the syrup boil for 5 minutes. The syrup is almost there, so I am adding few drops of rose water to the syrup. turning off the gas and keeping aside the syrup for later use. Heat some oil in a kadhai and check if the oil is ready or not by dropping some batter into the oil. The oil is ready, as I have already dropped some batter into the oil and it just popped up nicely, so I can say that it's ready. Now use a slotted spatula for dropping the batter through the spatula into the hot oil. Changing color, take them out of the oil and put into the sugar syrup. Now it's time for the second batch. Add the rest of the batter to the hot oil and make the bundis. Now Bengali Bonde is ready to serve. Enjoy. Don't forget to subscribe our channel and send us your feedback. Thanks for watching our video. See you soon. Bye bye.